Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here at Trackside with my buddy Keita. Here he is, everybody. He is Trackside with me this afternoon. We have a train approaching us. Due to no radio chatter on the radio, I don't exactly know which train this is. It's either, I'm guessing it's the mill train, or it could be a Waterville train. I will know what this train is once it gets up by me. My name is Railfan Ralph, the legendary Railfan Ralph, the pride of the Railfan fleet, and I am here with my Railfan buddy Keita beside me. I hope you all enjoy this train video. I believe this is Poru, but I could be wrong. My friend, my Railfan friend, John Welch would love this train. It's got the NS coal hoppers on it. He's a big NS fan, and he lives right near Chattanooga, Tennessee. My name is Railfan Ralph again, and my buddy Keita here, who's with me. We'd like to thank you for watching this video, and we hope you have a very pleasant rest of the afternoon. Take care.